What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another case review, or should I just say a slight case comparison. I know you're looking at me like, what are you doing? These are both the Zugu Muse. This one is the 2018 version. This is when it came in all black only. This is 2019 version. Now we have several colors. I've shown you the red, the blue, the purple, and they also make a brand new black. But there are a few subtle changes to this 2019 edition. So let's check them out and see what they were able to improve on. So big shout out to Zugu. They have been one of the best case companies for the iPad Pro 11, and this year has been no exception. This is a great case, a great build. It's a magnetic case, magnetic closure on the front, magnetic flaps on the back. It does everything. It protects, it's magnetic, holds your pencil, it does the works. But the 2018 version had a slight flaw in it. Now, I will say 2018 was a good year for this case. They sold tons of these cases, but there was one slight issue. When you fold this in a book mode, there was no magnetic clasp. It did not hold. And another thing that changed was the actual 27s now run the opposite way. And I'll show you. This one still has the foam in it. But if you notice on the 2019, the 27s run that way, and they're opposite over here on the 2018. They're kind of upside down. So over here, they're right side up. Over here on the black, they're upside down. But what happened was 2018 version, no straight up book mode. 2019 version, they got it right. There's a magnetic flap back there. Now, if you are not holding it, it will go, but right there it holds. So when you're holding this in a book mode, you don't have to worry about the flap flying around in the back. Has magnetic closure now on the back, so when you're holding that iPad to read it straight up and down, no issues. You still get the same great protection all the way around. You have that nice hard rubber edging. You still get the same magnetic flaps on the back. You still get pencil carriers back here in the back for your Apple Pencil. You still get the same amount of grooves up front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 different angles you can stand this case at. But now let's go ahead and drop the iPad in the new one. Now, I've done a try on for you guys with these cases before. I just wanted to bring this point out and highlight it just a little bit because I got a lot of questions about this. I didn't mention it in the first video. I was just basically hyped about the colors. I wanted to show you guys the colors and get that out of the way, but I didn't mention the little subtle nuances. So I'm going to hold this sideways and boom, there you go. It's not falling, it's gripped to the back. There we go. Pencil still sits there and pencil still charges. No problem. There's no issue with that, as it was not in the past. And you still get the same magnetic front cover as well. So you get 3 great colors. Remember, you got the red, the fire red, you got the Superman blue, as someone said, and you got the pretty purple, as one of the ladies or my daughter has said. These cases are great. You're going to pay about $60 for these cases though. They're well worth it. This will be the only case that you will need. Once you open this up, put your iPad in, you know it's going to be protected, and that pencil is going to be protected as well. If you don't want to carry it on the front out here, you slide it down in the back. So this has been just a little updated video of the Zugu Muse. This is the 2019 edition right here with the purple, and then you have the actual 2018 edition over here in the black. So there we have it, guys. 2018 versus 2019. Both of these are great buys in my opinion. Just you get a little bit more usage features over here with 2019 version, and come on, you get the colors. You got to have the colors. So bravo. So big ups to Zugu. They're doing big things out there right now. You can check these out. I'm going to leave a link below. But until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.